Thanks for joining us on the John Mendola Show. We're driven by McCarthy Tire and Automotive Centers. It's Friday, December 5th, 2014, week 15 of the high school football season. Two area teams still alive and kicking. And our first game is South Williamsport. They'll take on Bishop Guilfoyle out west. And, Coach South Williamsport has just done a tremendous job. Dominic Bragg alone, over 400 yards. Again, last week, over 4,000 yards rushing for the season. But he's got guys that have helped him out all year long. Matt Boone, the quarterback, Johnny Peters, the linebacker, Tyler Schoenwolf, one of those guys up front. I mean, they have some tremendous athletes on this team, a big freshman class that's talented as well. But Dominic Bragg alone puts a lot on his shoulders, and he could run the football. Expecting more of that with Coach Chris Eisworth this week as the South Williamsport Mounties continue to get their man. They'll take South Williamsport this week over Bishop Guilfoyle. The next game, Wyomissing and the Dunmore Bucks. Well, Dunmore comes into this game. A lot of people not expecting them to go this far. Newman Goretti was the last opponent they took care of. And, Dunmore's just finding ways to get the job done all year. Wyomissing's been one of those teams people have looked to all year long and said, wow, this is a team to beat. This is a team to beat. Well, we're going to take our Dunmore Bucks this week to pull it off. It would be an upset if they're able to beat Wyomissing. Comes in as the favorite, I think, in this football game. But Dunmore very big up front. They find ways to have athletes make plays, whether it's the Holmes kid in the backfield or Sal Marquez, who got banged up a little bit. The Drews brothers up front, some linebackers like Justin Rogan. They just seem to find guys to get the job done. I'm going to take the Dunmore Bucks in this football game. Double-A Saturday afternoon affair at Northern Lehigh. Well, there are your two picks for this week, Friday, December 5th, 2014. Here on the John Mendola Show, we're driven by McCarthy Tire and Automotive Centers.